the day is opportunity cost. Okay, it is a very known topic of economics, so we will discuss it right now. Opportunity cost means, suppose a piece of land, which I will make it very easier for you all. Like, suppose if a piece of land which is good for both wheat production and paddy production, then suppose this is wheat and this is paddy. I'll write it. Suppose if the land is engaged in the wheat production and earns the rent of paddy production, okay, if the land is used in wheat production, then the opportunity cost will be the income which can be earned if the land is used for paddy production. Okay, I mean wheat production করছি, but প্যাডি প্রোডাকশন করলে যেটা আর্ন করতে পারতাম, যেটা করছি না, সেইটা is the opportunity cost of this land. Same as this, if the land is, I'm the entrepreneur and I'm using this land for paddy production, then the opportunity cost for this land will be the income that I can earn from wheat production of this land. Suppose I'm using this land for wheat production, and if I could have produced paddy, I could have earned rupees 500 as a rent. Okay, this is the opportunity cost. Or if I use for the land for paddy and the producer of wheat wanted to give me rupees 500, this would be the opportunity cost of the land for paddy production. Okay, now I have to see, when I choose which production should I do, like wheat or paddy. In that case, I have to choose that production opportunity cost for which is lower. Like, if I invest if I invested to the fund, to the particular piece of land in wheat production, and I'm earning suppose 600 as a rent from the paddy producer, and if I am putting this land in the paddy production and if I am earning 500 for wheat production, that means the lower opportunity cost is wheat production. Okay, so I have to use, or I should use the land for wheat production, not for paddy production. Okay, so we are done for today, and I have tried my level best to make you understand all the topics very briefly, so that you understand it properly and explain it on your own. if you have any queries, any doubts related with all these topics which I told you this day, please make comments in the comment section so that I can read it and get it answered. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can give more and more videos. Thank you.